In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix ChatGPT app not working. So basically the only thing that I did is that I firstly closed the ChatGPT app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, I'm just going to go back to the homepage right here as you can see. And now on the homepage, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down in here and I clicked on storage as you can see. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load all of the apps in here. Might take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on if you're lucky or not, to be honest. And now we're just going to click on search, then search for ChatGPT in here. And then you're going to click on upload app. And once again, click on upload app in here, as you can see. Just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load so we can actually proceed to the reinstall app button here, as you can see. So yeah, now you're just going to simply wait for your ChatGPT app to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, you can just go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.